Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create table in Photoshop. To create table in Photoshop, we will add layer first. So to add layer, just click on this plus icon, and once you add the layer, go to this option rectangle tool, and here we need to select the color sizes of our table boxes. How we can do that? Now we will select the background of our table. So white background is perfect for me, so I will leave on white. And here we need to select the stroke color. So stroke of my table going to be in black color, so I will select black. And once you've done that, now select the thickness of the lines of your table. So 1.96 is fine for me, but if you want to increase the size, you can go ahead. I will just leave on 1.96. Now to add first box of your table, just hold left click on your mouse and drag the mouse like this. So this is going to be size of my box, so I will just select this size and now leave my click, and here you can click here. Yeah, that's how we have added the first box of our table, and from this box we will add our whole table. How we can do that? Just select the box which we have added and then go to this option like this, and then we have to go under the table box, and now hold alt key on your keyboard, and once you get this option, hold left click on your mouse and drag the mouse like this. We have now created a copy from the first box, and now we have to align the second box according to our first box. So this is perfect, and yeah, that's how we have created two boxes, and from two boxes we can create more two boxes. How we can do that? Just hold control key on your keyboard and select two boxes like this, and once you done that, hold alt key and move your cursor upwards by holding left click like this. So we have added our two boxes. Now we are going to hit control plus T on our keyboard, and now we can easily move our two new boxes. So this is how you can move your two boxes from the mouse, and now we need to align them again. So this is perfect for me, so let me enter again, and yeah, this is perfect, but let me adjust it again. So to adjust, how we can do that? Just select the first box. Okay, this is our third box and this is our fourth box. So to select them, just hold again control on keyboard and select two boxes. So this is the third box, this is the fourth box which we have selected. Now hold control and T on your keyboard, and we will get the transform button again. So from this we can easily align them. So this is fine for me, so I will again click anywhere else, and yeah, there you go. We have successfully created first row of our table, and from this row we will create our whole table. So now we need to select these four boxes now, and how we can select? Just hold control key on your keyboard and select all these table boxes. Once you select all of this, hit control G on your keyboard, and we have created the group of these boxes, and we will copy this group. How we can copy? Just hold alt key again and move your cursor upwards, and yeah, this is the second box, or you can say a second row. So to transform, we will again hit control plus T on keyboard, and we will get the transform icons, and from now we can easily align the second row like this. So we have to align them perfectly. So as you can see, our second row is not aligned perfectly, and we can align it again. And how we can do that? We just need to play with the arrows button from our keyboard. Just select the second row as I selected, and just move your arrows button. So I'm just moving my arrows button, and this is the second way to transform your boxes. So this is perfect for me. Okay, as you can see, this is fine, so I can just leave it as it is. And now we have created two rows, and we need to again add more two of these. So we can just hold control and select these two boxes. Now hold alt key and just move your cursor upwards by holding left click, and yeah, there you go. We have again added two more rows. So to transform, we will hit control plus T again on keyboard, and we will get this option, and just hold the cursor by holding left click, and yeah, there you go. We have added two more rows, and we can just hit enter, but they are not looking good, so we will play with the arrows button now again. And yeah, there you go. We have successfully created table in Photoshop, and if you want to move this table, you can do that as well. This is rows of our table, and how we can combine them? Just hold control on keyboard and just select all these layers, or you can say rows. Once you select them, just hit control plus G on keyboard, and we have created the group of these rows. And from now we can just easily transform them by control plus T from keyboard. And yeah, there you go. This is how you can easily create table in Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.